You must have heard of NFTs and how much they've come to be worth in 2021, with the price of some reaching over $60 million. You might have been shocked by the news, and it drove you to investigate more about NFTs. Well, worry not, because we are here to tell you everything you need to know about NFTs. And listen up, as we'll also tell you where to buy your first NFT. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin are considered fungible assets because many people can own Bitcoin at the same time. On the other hand, NFTs are non-fungible tokens, meaning that they are digital assets, each of which is assigned to a digital signature, making every NFT a unique and irreplaceable one. Even if the asset is replicated or if it is saved as a picture, the owner of the NFT is one, and a public ledger holds records of NFT ownerships. NFTs are exchanged through the blockchain, and they can be bought and sold using Ethereum. The nature of an NFT is in fact a limitless one. An NFT can be a video, a simple illustration, a song, or you name it. The main impact that NFTs have made is providing ownership and selling rights of digital content. To make NFTs, creators mint their work on a marketplace, which creates a smart contract that is stored on the blockchain. The contract ensures that the creator receives royalties every time the NFT is sold. If you are interested in purchasing an NFT, you have to head to one of their dedicated marketplaces, most of which use the Ethereum network to power their transactions. What you need to have prior to buying an NFT is Ether, Ethereum's token. If you still do not own it, you can simply open an account on an exchange and purchase the token. You then also need to set up a crypto wallet that is compatible with Ethereum. MetaMask or Binance are good platforms. Next, you will have to choose the marketplace you want to buy the desired NFT from. Some of the most important NFT marketplaces are OpenSea, SuperRare, and Rarible. So go over there and look for the piece you desire to own. Once you are settled on a marketplace, you'd have to register and then connect your wallet to it. Now that you have everything set up, you can now start searching for your future NFT. Most of the marketplaces have an auction system for NFT purchasing, so find your NFT and place your bid. If you are successful in the bid, you can then complete the transaction and your wallet will be debited with the amount. Don't forget that there will be an extra transaction fee. Each will be dependent on the marketplace, so do your research well before choosing the platform, wallet, or marketplace for your purchases. After knowing what NFTs are and how to buy them, tell us what your next steps are in the comments, and let us know if you have any future plans to invest in NFTs. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content such as this one. See you in the next video.